when you represent buyers, have you ever had a situation that you submit an offer and you suspect, either you suspect or the listing agent actually tell you straight up front that they won't present your offers to the owner of the house? Have you ever had that situation? Right? I get a lot of questions from real estate agents as I travel coaching real estate agents throughout California and all across the US. Is that one of the most common questions that real estate agents ask is that, hey, what if we represent the buyers, right? When we represent the buyers, you represent the buyers and you suspect that when you submit the offers, the listing agent won't even present your offers to the owner of the house. So this is how we do it here in our team. I just want to share with you, there are 17 advanced negotiation strategy that we teach, but today I just want to drop in one to help you in 2019. So when you represent a buyer, you submit an offer and the listing agent tell you straight up front, I won't present it to you, or you suspect things like that happen. So here in California, there is the agency disclosure form AD3. It's an agency disclosure that a selling agent, the agent who represents the buyers, are required to give it to the owner of the house. So when you submit an offer, you can go take that form AD3 and use that form AD3, go to the owner of the house to present form AD3. Remember, you are not presenting an offer to the owner of the house. You cannot do that. But what you are doing is that you are doing what's required by law, which is give the agency disclosure. Now the owner of the house is going to ask, so if I'm the buyer's agent, you are the owner of the house, I'm going to knock on the door and say, Mr. Owner of the house, my name is Rudy with Titanium Real Estate Network. I'm just giving you, this is the agency disclosure that's required by law in related to the offer that we submit 3 months ago. For example, and then the owners look at me like, what do you mean? The house has been on the market for 3 months, there is no offers. And then, well, we submit an all cash offer about $700,000 3 months ago, and this is the agency disclosure in related to that. If you have not received the offers, call the agent, and you can take it from there. So that's one way of doing it. The second one, and this is completely brand new, today is January 2019, is if you look at the residential purchase agreement. Oh, by the way, in California, the residential purchase agreement has just been revised as of December 2018. So today is January 2019. That residential purchase agreement, if you are a real estate agent here in California, make sure you refresh your zip form, because now you're gonna get a brand new one. If you look at the brand new residential real estate agreement, way at the end, the last page, on the last page at the very bottom, it shows the acknowledgement, right, for the owner of the house to reject that offer. Now, this is the cool thing that's brand new as of today, January 2019, is that if you, as the buyer's agent, if you represent the buyers, if you send an email to the listing agent, it is now an ethical requirement. National is part of the code of ethics. Basically, the real estate agents, the listing agents are required. So if you're the buyer's agent, you send me an email saying, hey Rudy, I submit an offer for your listing on 123 Main Street, and let me know the status update on this home. Right now, I'm required to actually communicate that back to you, which means that it actually have to email. I actually have to keep you updated as to when I submit the offers, how I submit the offers, what's the seller's feedback. If there is a counter or the seller just flat out reject, I actually have to respond with you with that details. So I want you to take a look. Today is January 2019. I want you to take a look at the brand new residential purchase agreement, and I want you to look at that new code of ethics that requires the listing agents to comply upon your request as the buyer's agent. So when you first submit the email, I want you to do that. That should help you get more deals in 2019. That's only one of the 17 advanced negotiation strategy that we share here at Titanium Real Estate Network in-house. If you've never been to our team, I'm sending you an invitation to stop by here, because as we enter this New Year's, I want you to have these skills. There's so many new updates at the car forms, the California Association of Realtors forms. There's so many things going on. I'm not sure if you know. So if you've never been to our team, or if you like to get the updates, all you need to do, call 626-789-0159 and share below any success stories that you apply from using the 83 and using that new code of ethics. I need you to share below. Every time you share, it encourages me. If you need any help, feel free to call me anytime, 626-789-0159.